Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a awareness campaign on the Pinterest ad platform. So let's have a look at this. So once we are on the platform on the main page, which is the overview page, from here we can start building out the new campaign. As you can see over here, okay, so we can create a new campaign. And when we do so, it is going to give us options of choosing the campaign objective. So in this video, we're going to talk about the campaigns level and see what all options do we get here. So as we spoke earlier also, so these are the different types of campaign objectives which you can select from. Now, in this, you can also choose, these are different levels as we spoke about it, build awareness, drive consideration, and get conversions. So in build awareness, there are two types. There is brand awareness, which you can select for, or you can do video completion as well, which is basically reaching out to people to and getting some people to more people to completely view your video ad and take action. So here we are choosing brand awareness right now. And then you can select the name of the campaign as well over here. You can give it a name. And then you can choose the campaign status, how it should be. So if you want to keep it active or paused, you can select by default beforehand here. Then specifically, Pinterest gives you the option to choose the campaign budget, okay, which we can choose here. So now in budget, again, there are two types. There is Performance Plus, where you can choose a daily or a lifetime budget. And there is a fixed, where you can choose a daily budget as well. So a fixed daily budget you can set over here in this particular manner. And then you decide your campaign schedule. Do you want to run the ads continuously or do you want to run it on specific days? You can decide that. So these are going to be the details which we can select over here. Now, other than this, if you see on the top right corner, there are a couple of things wherein you also have an option to go for a automated campaign where most of the things will be taken care by the Pinterest algorithm and you will not be able to customize much the campaign. This is a manual campaign which we are building out. So you can see all the things are being decided by us. In draft actions, you can see you can look at the existing draft or save as a new draft as well. Whatever work you have done, you can save it over here. It also gives you a campaign weekly estimate that based on the budget you have selected, what kind of impressions, CPM, weekly reach we can anticipate we can possibly get. So that also a forecasting and estimation is being given to us. So these are the details which we are going to fill up at the campaign level. And then we move next to the ad group level after this. I hope this makes sense. You understand so far. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this. I'll see you in the next video.